Hello, it's Rachel from the So Happy Quilters Association, and today we are at Wellbeing Hospital helping to make beautiful quilts which are eventually going to be given out over all the wards, so we're going to have a lovely day. So this is our setup for today. We have set up the table with all of the hexiform and the fabrics and the quilters clips and the pins and the needles and the cottons and all the snippers. And this is how our lovely table looks. We've got a big setup, so hopefully we're going to get some lovely people in to do all these squares. And then I put some of my quilts up. This is the lovely Eloise, and she's going to explain what her job within the NHS is.
Hello, so at the University Hospital Sussex NHS Foundation Trust, I am the Administrator for the Health, Wellbeing and Engagement team, and at the So Happy Quilters Association, I am the Social Media and Video Content Manager, and I'm super excited about these workshops and the collaboration between the two organisations.
Amazing. And we've already done Chichester together. This is our second one. This is our Worthing Hospital, and we're going to be going to Princess Royal and the Royal Sussex County Hospital. Both of those are going to be in July, so we're really looking forward to those. So we will show you our progress during the day as to what squares they make and how the day goes. Little bit of a tail like that, and then you're going to do another stitch over and over in the same position, and you're going to do that three times is the best thing, really. Do a couple of stitches over and over in the same position, because that gives it much more strength if you're going to add them all together. So I'm just going to walk around and see how you're doing. So you're like here.
Okay. So basically just putting a little lock in.
Is that meant to not be seen? Have I done it wrong there?
No, you haven't. No, it's perfect. Let me have a look. Absolutely. So with your running stitch, you're going to go in like that, to there, and then you're going to do another one here, and then you're going to go over there like that. Okay, that's what you're going to do. So do a little stitch over and over here, so then that holds that down. So it's a bit like that. Wasn't that amazing? We've just had a wonderful day here at Worthing Hospital making all the squares that are going to be put into quilts, and they actually made 54 squares. So we will show you how they all come out after we've probably done the other two hospitals, because we're going to go to Princess Royal and then we're going to go to Brighton. So I will see you soon on the next video. Bye.
You can find and follow the So Happy Quilters Association on social media and their website.